Hello everyone. Today, Emma is going to the shopping mall. She wants to buy some new clothes, maybe a shirt and some jeans. When we shop, sometimes we need help from a store assistant, especially when we can't find our size. Let's see how Emma asks for help.
Wow, so many nice clothes. I really like this blue shirt. It looks perfect for summer. But I can't find my size. I need a medium. Let me look around a bit more carefully. I've looked everywhere, but I still can't find it. I think it's time to ask for help. I see a store assistant over there. I will go and ask her. Excuse me, I'm looking for this blue shirt. It's a really nice one. Do you have it in a medium size? I can't seem to find it on the rack.
Of course, I can help you with that. Which shirt is it exactly? Ah, yes, this lovely blue one. Just a moment, please. I'll quickly check if we have your size in the back storage room. Good news. Yes, we have a medium size for you. Here you go. This shirt is very popular. Would you like to try it on to see if it fits well?
Yes, please. That would be great. I always like to try clothes on before buying them. Where are the fitting rooms located? Are they far from here?
Emma is doing very well. She used "excuse me" to get attention and clearly stated what she was looking for. Asking, "Do you have it in a medium size?" is perfect. And then, "Where are the fitting rooms?" is the next important question. Remember these phrases. Great job, Emma. She asked for a specific size and then asked for the fitting rooms. These are very useful phrases. Remember, "excuse me" to get attention, then "I'm looking for." Or, "Do you have this in a medium size?" And "Where are the fitting rooms?" is key.
The fitting rooms are just over there, to your left, past the shoe section. You can take up to 3 items inside at one time. Let me know if you need anything else.
Thank you so much. That's very helpful. Before I go, I just saw some black jeans that look really nice. I think they would go well with this shirt. Oh, wait. I also really like these black jeans. They look very comfortable. Can I try these in a size 28, please? I usually wear that size, but sometimes it can be different.
Of course. Let me check for size 28 for these black jeans. Yes, we have them right here. Here you go. You can take them to the fitting room with the shirt. Enjoy trying them on.
Emma now has 2 items, the blue shirt and the black jeans. She asked for specific sizes for both. This is a great example of how to ask for multiple items and sizes. Now, let's follow Emma to the fitting rooms and see how they fit. Now Emma has 2 items to try on, the blue shirt and the black jeans. It's common to try on clothes before buying them to make sure they fit well. Sometimes, the first size isn't perfect, and we need to ask for a different one. This is a very important part of shopping.
Okay, first the blue shirt. Let's see. It's a little too big around the shoulders and waist. It feels loose. I think I definitely need a smaller size. Maybe a small would be better.
When something is too big, it means it's larger than you need. It might be loose or long. Emma said the medium shirt was a little too big. This is a clear way to tell the assistant you need a smaller size. Good job, Emma.
Excuse me? I tried on the blue shirt. The medium is a bit too big for me. Do you happen to have it in a small size? I think a small would fit me much better.
Let me check for you right away. One moment. Yes, we have one small size left. You're lucky. Here you go. Please try this one and see if it's better.
Thank you so much. I hope this one fits. I'll go back into the fitting room now. I really appreciate your help finding the right size for me. Yes. This small size fits much better. It's comfortable and looks good. I really like it. Now, for the black jeans. I hope these fit well too. Let's try them on.
Emma found the right size for the shirt. That's great. Now she's trying on the black jeans. What if they don't fit? She will need to use similar phrases to ask for a different size. It's good to know how to describe if something is too big or too small.
Oh no, these jeans are too tight. I can't even button them comfortably. They feel very snug. I definitely need a bigger size. Maybe a size 29 or even a 30 would be better for me.
Emma said the jeans were too tight. This means they are very close-fitting and uncomfortable. It's the opposite of too big. When clothes are too tight, you need a larger size. Emma is clearly communicating her needs to the assistant.
Excuse me. The black jeans, size 28, are too tight for me. Do you have them in a size 29 or perhaps a size 30? I need something a little looser to be comfortable.
Let me check the stock for you. Yes, we have both size 29 and size 30 available right now. Which one would you like to try first? We want to make sure you find the perfect fit.
I'll try the 29 first, please. I hope that one works. Thank you for checking both sizes for me. You've been very helpful today.
You're welcome. Here is the size 29. Take your time. Just call me if you need the size 30 or anything else. I'll be right here.
Yes. These size 29 jeans fit perfectly. They are so comfortable and look great. I'm so happy. I'll definitely take these and the blue shirt. I found my perfect outfit.
Emma used fits perfectly to describe the jeans. This is a great phrase to use when clothes are just right. Remember, too big, too small, too tight, and fits perfectly. These words help you communicate clearly when shopping for clothes. Emma successfully found clothes that fit. She used phrases like too big, too tight, and fits perfectly to describe her needs. This helps the assistant understand what she wants. Now that she has decided what to buy, it's time to pay at the register. The last step of shopping is paying for your items at the cash register. Here, Emma will ask about the total price and how she can pay. It's important to know these phrases for a smooth checkout experience. Let's follow Emma to the register.
Hello again. I'd like to buy these two items, please. The blue shirt and the black jeans. I'm very happy with them. They fit perfectly.
Wonderful. Let me scan them for you. The blue shirt and the black jeans. That will be $55 total. Are you a member of our loyalty program? Would you like to sign up?
Okay, $55. That's a good price for these two items. I'm happy with that. Now, how can I pay? What payment methods do you accept here?
Yes, of course. We accept all major credit cards, debit cards, and cash. You can just insert your card here into the machine, or tap it if it has that function. It's very easy.
Great, thank you for explaining. I'll use my credit card then. I'm glad it's so simple. I always prefer to pay with a card when I'm shopping.
Emma asked, "Can I pay with a credit card?" This is a common way to ask about payment options. You can also ask, "Do you accept cash?" or "Can I pay with my phone?" Knowing these questions helps you pay easily.
Okay, here's my card. I'm inserting it now. I hope it goes through quickly. Thanks for your patience and help today.
Great. Your payment is approved. Here's your receipt and your shopping bag with your new clothes. Thank you for shopping with us today, Emma. We hope to see you again soon.
The young woman gave Emma her receipt. It's very important to always take your receipt. Why? Because if you need to return or exchange an item later, you will need this receipt. Keep it safe.
Thank you very much for all your help. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.
And that's how Emma successfully bought her new clothes. She asked for sizes, tried on items, got help, and paid smoothly. Remember to always get your receipt, just in case you need to return or exchange something later. Good job, Emma. Let's quickly review some key phrases from today's lesson. To ask for a size, do you have this in a medium size? Or, I'm looking for a size 28. To ask about fitting rooms, where are the fitting rooms? Try saying these out loud. Practice makes perfect. When trying on clothes, if it doesn't fit, you can say, it's too big, it's too small, or it's too tight. If you need a different size, do you have it in a small, or can I try a size 30? Practice these phrases. They are very useful. Finally, at the register, to ask about the price. How much is it? And to ask about payment, can I pay with a credit card, or do you accept cash? These phrases will make your shopping experience much easier. You got this. Keep practicing. Today, we learned many useful phrases for shopping for clothes. Emma successfully found her perfect fit and paid at the register. To answer our pre-question, Emma used phrases like, excuse me, do you have this in a medium size? And where are the fitting rooms? Great job, everyone. Keep practicing and see you next time.